In this video, I want to show you my method for making onion rings. It's more a method than a recipe because the quantities will vary quite a bit depending on the size of your onions. We'll begin by peeling the onions and cutting the ends. We won't be using the parts that don't have large enough rings, but I usually dice and keep them in my freezer and use at a later date. Cut the onion in slices and separate the rings. Be gentle as they are quite delicate and can break easily. In a bowl, I mixed Greek yogurt with milk. You want to end up with a consistency that is not too runny and will stick to the onion rings. If you prefer, you can use buttermilk or even kefir. We want something tangy and a bit thicker than simple milk. Add garlic powder. I used half a teaspoon. Smoked paprika. Again, half a teaspoon. Black pepper, a quarter teaspoon. I also used a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat. After mixing the ingredients, I dumped the onion rings in the liquid. But in hindsight, it's better to put a smaller batch as it got pretty hard to mix. Add some flour into a container. We'll also add cornstarch. We want a ratio of about 2/3 flour to 1/3 cornstarch. It doesn't need to be perfect. You can just eyeball it. I also like to season my flour mix with the same spices I used in the wet mix: garlic, smoked paprika, black pepper, and cayenne. The final ingredient we need is panko. The order is as follows: wet, flour, wet, panko. Now it's time to fry the onion rings. Each stove is different, but medium heat is a good starting point. If the heat is too high, the breading will cook too fast, and the onion ring inside will remain raw. I used level 5 out of 9. That way both the breading and the onion inside will cook at the same time. When golden, take them out of the oil and set them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil.
that's all there is. They are very tasty, fast, and easy to make. Please give them a try. See you next time!